Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Supriya Maji, aka the Daily Cloud. So basically, I have been not posting from a very long time. मैं हमेशा ये आके बोलती रहती हूँ, but फिर मैं वापस गायब हो जाती हूँ. But there are a lot of people who are very cute. They have been texting me कि आप content डालो, आप क्यों नहीं post कर रहे हो. So yeah, I am back again. I have made sure that I'll do that. I'll just try to be consistent from now on. So yeah, so let's. If I talk about this video, this is going to be a Zudio mini haul. So basically मैं कुछ दिन पहले like 2-3 दिन पहले मैं Zudio गई थी and वहाँ से I have bought 2-3 things for me which are very trendy, looks very fine and very cheap price actually. And उसके साथ मैंने 2-3 वीडियो बनाए हैं showing the Zudio collection which is in my shorts. So basically you can go there and check the collection and here I'll show you what I have got for myself. So let's see if you like it and if you want to if you take those products out of Zudio, if you buy those, just comment down and just tell me how you liked it and how it looks on you. So let's not waste any time and get in the video. Yeah. So पहला thing जो पिटारे से निकलने वाला है वो है ये परफ्यूम. सो बेसिकली मुझे परफ्यूम्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट अ वीडियो ऑफ लाइक मी शोइंग माई फेवरेट कलेक्शन ऑफ परफ्यूम आई कैन शो दैट विथ यू. जहाँ पे भी जाती हूँ आई ऑलवेज वॉन्ट वन परफ्यूम. आई डोंट नो वाई आई डोंट हैव स्पेस लाइक एनी वेयर टू कीप एनी थिंग एज सच मेरे रूम में. इट्स पूरा कबाड़ा ना, बट आई स्टिल वॉन्ट परफ्यूम. लाइक सब बाकी सारी चीज़ें कैन बी बेरेबल एंड आई कैन एडजस्ट विद दोज, बट परफ्यूम इज समथिंग आई वॉन्ट. सो Zudio हैव वेरी गुड कलेक्शन एज ऑफ. उनके परफ्यूम्स आर बेसिकली अ ट्यूब. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्यूब, सो बेसिकली मैं कुछ दिन पहले एज इन कुछ महीनों पहले मैं गई थी Zudio. देयर इज़ अ ब्लू कलर का बॉटल. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द एग्जैक्ट नेम ऑफ इट. आई put a picture here somewhere so you'll get a reference. So it's like a dupe of Zara Rose. So it doesn't last long but the fragrance is very similar to it and it gives you very sweet note and very like luxury perfume vibes. So it's like in a very good range of price you get a very good perfume. So like I have been trying a lot of perfumes over Zudio mein. So this I have got this time. This is like Zudio Miami. The packaging looks very cute, very chic, and I just hate to throw boxes away. The packagings are very cute. So let's open it. I have not opened it. If you can see, it's still sealed. I have tried tester. So Zudio have tester collection as well. Most of the makeup products are already smudged. Like जहाँ वहाँ पे जाके लोग बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते, they don't know how to use a tester product, but it's fine. तो perfumes are something which I can test it out, but lipsticks वगैरह में most of the time I just try to ignore that fact कि मुझे try करना है. Just look at the shade and it feels great. I didn't just take it, buy it. घर पे आके then I try it. सो ये मुझे खोलने के लिए ज़माना लगेगा. लेट्स फास्ट फॉरवर्ड. वॉट इतने पैकेजेस आ रहे थे मेरे पास, कैची पड़ी है. ढूंढना भी नहीं पड़ा मुझे, मेरे बाजू में ही पड़ा है. सो आई हैव ओपन दिस. लेट्स सी. सो इफ़ यू सी इनसाइड, इफ यू कैन सी देयर इज़ लाइक ब्लॉक जैसे बनाया हुआ है. सो द परफ्यूम गेट्स अ वेरी गुड होल्ड, मतलब स्पेल ना हो. गॉड द परफ्यूम लुक्स वेरी क्यूट. लाइक टेस्ट पे भी बहुत प्यारा लगने वाला है ये. सो लेट्स ट्राई इट. इट्स वेरी फ्रूटी, रिफ्रेशिंग एंड इट्स लाइक कि कोई मेरे बाजू में आ जाए तो मैं उसे जाने ना दूँ. इट्स दैट गुड. आई मीन it's very nice and the bottle, plus the bottle is pink. So let's move on to another product. So the next is this. So this is a Zudio Glow Up Vitamin C face mist. So I was not having a face mist. I always used to use rose water. So when I saw this, I was like a lot of content creators have been using it and they have been reviewing it about Zudio and they found it like very nice under the price range of 149 it is. It's like orangey, looks nice as in let's see how the product is. So I basically have my makeup on right now, but let's test it out. Again opening time. So they have like this thing which is very easy to open. So there's 2 caps. So Zudio have this good thing with packaging. So we have the product. It smells very orangey, very like you know, orangey fruity smell. Okay, the applicator is nice. I should like I am using this for now on my hand. Yeah, it feels very hydrating and it's nice. I mean, it's giving the glow and like it feels nice. It's not that gooey or something. So I'll give this product thumbs up. Okay, so talking about the perfume, I'll put the price here and I'll also tell you the price is around $2.99. So basically under 300 you get this mini perfume bottle which looks very cute and very nice. So that's a steal deal. Then something I loved very much. So basically there's heels. This is for 700 rupees if you can see. So there's like a blockhead situation with a rectangular something. Okay. So it's like यहाँ पे beads लगे हुए हैं. It has a very like pretty design. It's like crisscross. The color is burgundy, you can see, or dark maroon something. So this looks very nice. I'm stuck with the rubber of it. It's a very pretty heels. And I had like मेरे पास ऐसे ये type की heel नहीं था. And I wanted something which is different, like looks very different from my footwear collection. So I bought this and I really loved it. And you might have seen this a lot over like shorts or like the reviewing, because this has been trending a lot over Zudio. So yeah, and then let's get into the last product we have. So I am a person who use hand cream very much, like again and again I keep applying it. I want my hand to look very pretty and very soft, very nourishing. So मेरा वो ख़त्म हो गया था and I saw Zudio with this. So it's Butter Frost from Zudio, nourishing hand cream enriched with hyaluronic acid, and it's for 80 rupees only. It's blue in color, looks very cute, very aesthetic. So let's try and let's see कि ये कैसे smell करता है. I have not opened it. I have not opened any single product, क्योंकि मैं जब भी haul video या कुछ बनाती हूँ मैं हमेशा open करके बैठ जाती हूँ. This time I was very keeping me like मैं खुद को बहुत काम रख रही थी कि नहीं, let's like open this when I am making the video like with my subscribers. So let's open this. आप अगर भरोसा नहीं करो देखो, स्टिल ये पूरा पैकेज्ड है. ओह, तो ये निकाला मैंने. सी, देयर इज वन मोर. सो Zudio have been very good with like packaging their products, because there's like double package. वो जो face mist था उसमें भी
2000 years later.
So yeah, we have the product. Oh, it's very milky and buttery. जैसे यहाँ पे mention है Butter Frost. It actually feels like a butter. So it's very light in weight and very creamy texture. Smells like vanilla ice cream. I can eat it. It's very nice. It's watery, see. So like the way I am blending it, like I have to blend it a lot. I've taken a very like, तो मैंने इसको लगा लिया है. It's giving a like a little shine, not much of a difference, but feels nourishing and smells nice, like vanilla or blueberry, something like that. So it feels nice. So I'll give this product a hit as well. I have already told you the price, it's 80 rupees. So you can get this and give it a try and let me know how you like it. So yeah, so that's it for the video. यही सारी products थी जो मैंने मंगाई थी. So I have showed it with you guys. If you liked any of this, if you buy it or if you like planning to get it. अगर लेते हो and if you like it, just let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, I'll take a leave now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, just make sure that you subscribe my channel, so I'll be making sure to myself that I'll post more of videos. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye.